Hello students, welcome back. In this class, we'll discuss problem number 6, which is given as if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equals to cos B, then show that angle A equals to angle B. Yes, it's very clear that we need to show that angle A, solution I'll write it as, we need to show that angle A is equals to angle B. Recall, in a given triangle, if there are two equal sides, then their opposite angles are equal. In a given triangle, if two sides are of equal length, then their opposite angles are equal. So we'll draw only one figure. This solution is rather very intelligent and very simple. Instead of following a very long procedure and time-taking solution, we'll find a very small solution or a solution which needs very few steps. So first let's draw a triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, angle A, this is angle B, and right angle at C. Okay, now from this we'll find out cos A with respect to angle A and cos B with respect to angle E. Same triangle. No need to consider two different triangles or integrate two right angle triangles. This solution is rather some intelligent or smart. So first let's write down what is given. It is given that cos A is equals to cos B, right, given. So with respect to angle A, this is opposite and this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. For clarity, I'll draw one more triangle, and this triangle is tilted, that's it. Now this will become angle B, C and A, theta, or angle B, right angle at 90 degrees. Now for this angle B, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, and this is hypotenuse. In both cases, the length of hypotenuse is same. So first we'll write cos A for triangle 1. Cos A is given as cos A equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent is AC, hypotenuse is AB. For second case, we'll write cos B as adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent, again here it is ABC, and hypotenuse is same, AB. Now it is given that cos A is equals to cos B, so we'll name it as equation 1 and equation 2, and it is given that both equation 1 is equals to equation 2. So we'll write it as AC by AB equals to BC by AB. Now denominators are same because they have same hypotenuse. Now sides are same. Now from this 1 and 2, we conclude that AC is equals to BC. Now it's clear and straightforward. Solution is straightforward. Since two sides of a triangle are equal, their opposite sides are opposite angles are equal. Finish. Since AC equals to BC, the angles opposite to it, AC side angle is B, BC side angle is A. Therefore, for angle AC, angle B, for side BC, angle A. For side AC, angle B. For side BC, angle A. Therefore, for AC, its angle B equals to angle A. Hence proved. Or we can also write it as angle A is equals to angle B. If you got any doubts, please ask me, students. Thank you.